Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today we are going to take a new topic of chapter 14 Water. Children, in this chapter, we have discussed about the uses of water, about the how clouds formation of the cloud and the water cycle. So, children, all the important terms we have discussed in the previous class, like the precipitation, like condensation, evaporation, all. So, children, today we are taking a new topic like rainwater harvesting and then how we use the water. Okay, so, children, the mainly the conservation we have discussed the uses of water na, so we know the importance of the water, so we should conserve the water. Okay, children, how we conserve the water? So, children, in our daily life examples, like in your home, if the tap is some taps are leakage, so you can repair the leaking the tap, so that we can conserve the water amount. After that, you can reuse or recycle the water if there is possibility. Okay, children. After that, children, the direct used the kitchen water to your garden. You can use your watering the garden plants by your kitchen water. Okay, children. Like water wise, these habits are very beneficial. Okay, so that we can conserve the water. Children, water wise, like these activities when we are doing generally in our home, like we are washing the vessels like utensils and using the collected water instead of washing directly under the tap, so that we can save more amount of water. And generally these activities we are doing in our home. The next activity, like water wise habits, like the mopping the floor instead of washing, because we know in the washing work, जब हम कोई wash करते हैं तो there are we are using more and more water. Okay, in the mopping the floor we are using less amount of water, so that we can do these type of activity. After that, children, we can turn off the tap while brushing. Generally, we are turn on the tap and then we should start. We are starting the brushing, but it's not a good habit, beta. It should not do this activity. Okay. So always turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. The next most important topic, that is the rooftop rainwater harvesting. So, children, what do you understand by the rainwater harvesting? Children, that rainwater, we should collect the rainwater and from the roof and of the buildings and the stored in the tanks after the filtration process. So, that rainwater harvesting is very important topic in which we are collecting the rainwater in the storage tank. By this diagram, this is the flow chart of the rainwater harvesting. Like school, this is the diagram of our school, and after the rooftop of the school, we should collect the rainwater there, and then we are using the filtration tank. After that, we should use the storage and the percolation tank, where the water is filtered. Okay, and we can use these water for again and again by the another purpose. So, children, we should planting the vegetation. It is also very important to planting the vegetation. Okay, children, so that more rain will come. So, hope children, this topic is clear. Today we have discussed about the rainwater harvesting and the conservation of water. So children, today you should read these topics, okay, and also you should prepare for your quiz, because tomorrow will your quiz, so that you should prepare for your quiz. Okay children, thank you. Nice meeting you.